Are you looking to start a manageable business? Small-scale manufacturing might be perfect. It offers a chance to be your own boss, with lower startup costs and potential for quick returns. Many ideas require easy training, letting you get started fast. Let's explore some accessible and promising small-scale manufacturing business ideas. First, consider candle making. Candles are always in demand. Training is straightforward, with online tutorials and supplies readily available. You can experiment with scents, colors, and designs. The output is fast, as candles can be produced in batches. Plus, the initial investment is low. Next, think about soap making. Similar to candle making, soap making is easy to learn. Create handcrafted soaps using natural ingredients, catering to a niche market. The output is quick, and materials are easy to source. The business can be scaled up. Differentiate your products with various scents, shapes, and ingredients like essential oils or herbs. Target specific customer preferences, such as those with sensitive skin. Another idea is to make custom jewelry. This involves creating unique pieces from materials like beads and stones. Training can be acquired through courses, workshops, or self-teaching. The output is relatively fast. You can market your jewelry online, at craft fairs, or through boutiques. The creative aspect allows for endless possibilities. Consider personalized gifts. Items like engraved keychains or custom mugs are always popular. You'll need a laser engraver or a sublimation printer. Training is typically provided by the equipment manufacturer. The output is quick, and demand is steady. This business allows you to cater to a broad audience looking for unique gifts. If you can sew, consider a small-scale textile manufacturing business. Make tote bags, aprons, or simple clothing. Training can be done through courses or workshops. Output can be relatively fast, depending on the item and equipment. Market products online or at craft fairs. You can also offer custom sewing services. Finally, think about producing custom stickers and labels. With a good quality printer and cutting machine, you can create stickers and labels. Training is minimal, the output is fast, and demand is high for personal and business use. Market your stickers and labels online or to businesses. Small-scale manufacturing offers numerous opportunities. These business ideas provide easy training and fast output, making them ideal for those starting. Research your chosen market, create a plan, and focus on high-quality products. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful business.